warm welcome to all the viewers joining us today. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty, lifestyle, and all things fabulous. For those who are new here, I'm Bridgette and I'm your go-to guide for all things fabulous in your 40s and beyond. To those just passing by, you have stumbled upon a stylish corner of the internet. And to my regular viewers, it's always a pleasure to have you back here for another fabulous journey together. Well, in today's video, we are exploring the endless possibilities of styling a black leather pencil skirt. So whether you're a fashionista looking for fresh outfit inspiration, or you're simply curious about exploring new styling techniques, you are in the right place. Join me as we embark on a journey to unlock the endless possibilities of styling a black leather pencil skirt for various occasions. From sophisticated office looks to casual weekend looks and everything in between, we will look at classy outfit ideas that will inspire you to express your unique style. But here's the twist. We are not here to dictate the exact outfits or to push specific pieces. Instead, we are here to ignite your creativity and inspire you to explore the versatility of a black leather pencil skirt and infusing it with your own personal flair. So let's dive in and discover how to rock this timeless wardrobe staple like a true fashion maven. So the black leather pencil skirt that I'm going to be styling is this skirt that I got from Forever New last year. So this is not real leather, ladies. This is Fox leather, and this is what it looks like. It's got a vent at the back and it sits right above my knees. And on to my first look. The sleek black leather pencil skirt serves as the anchor, exuding sophistication and confidence. Pair it with a crisp white button-down shirt, adding a touch of classic elegance to the look. The shirt creates a polished and tailored silhouette. And layered over the shirt is a structured black vest, adding a modern and edgy twist to the ensemble. The vest's clean lines and sharp tailoring complements the sleekness of the black leather skirt, creating a visually dynamic outfit. Complete the look with a wide structured handbag for a pop of contrast and a touch of sophistication. Accessorize with minimalistic jewelry and slip into a pair of black pointed toe heels to elongate your legs and add a touch of glamour. With its perfect blend of classic sophistication and modern edge, this outfit is ideal for a stylish day at the office or a chic evening out on the town. The second outfit is a sleek and sophisticated monochromatic ensemble, and here I paired the skirt with a black chiffon blouse. The blouse adds a touch of softness and femininity to the ensemble. Tuck the blouse neatly into the skirt to create a chic and polished silhouette. And then accessorize with delicate silver jewelry for a subtle yet sophisticated touch. And then slip into a pair of black pointed toe heels to elongate your legs. With its perfect balance of edgy sophistication and feminine charm, this outfit is ideal for a stylish night out or a day at the office when you want to make a statement with your fashion-forward style. For a fierce and edgy ensemble, pair the skirt with a casual yet cool t-shirt to add a touch of effortless coolness to the look. Tuck the t-shirt into the skirt. The t-shirt creates a relaxed yet polished silhouette. Layered over the t-shirt is a black Moto jacket with silver hardware, adding an edgy and rebellious vibe to the ensemble. The jacket's sleek design and metallic accents perfectly complements the sleekness of the leather skirt, creating a bold and statement-making outfit. So I accessorized it with a black and silver clutch bag for a touch of sophistication and a hint of sparkle. Opt for silver heels to match the silver hardware on the jacket, to add height, to elongate your legs, while adding a glamorous touch to the overall ensemble. And keep the jewelry minimalistic to let the outfit's edgy elements shine. With its perfect balance of casual coolness and edgy sophistication, this outfit is ideal for a stylish night out or a fashion-forward day on the town. The other way to style a black leather pencil skirt is to pair it with a white sleeveless blazer, and this adds a touch of sophistication and modern elegance to the outfit. The structured design of the blazer creates clean lines and a polished silhouette, elevating the outfit to a whole new level. Accessorize with nude heels to add height and elongate your legs while maintaining a streamlined and elegant look. I then opted for the iconic Alma BB Louis Vuitton handbag for a touch of luxury and timeless elegance. Keep the jewelry minimalistic to let the outfit's clean lines and sophisticated elements take center stage. With its perfect blend of modern sophistication and timeless elegance, this outfit is ideal for a stylish day at the office, a brunch with friends, or a sophisticated evening event where you want to make a lasting impression. And now my next look is an outfit pairing the black leather skirt with a cream camisole, and I got mine from Foschini a year or two ago. This ensemble radiates chic sophistication with a hint of edgy flair. And with the cream camisole, the outfit maintains a touch of elegance and femininity. Layering a blazer over the camisole adds polish and structure, elevating the outfit for a professional or formal setting. Completing the outfit with a pair of black and white snake print heels injects a bold statement, adding visual interest and texture to the overall look. The monochromatic palette of the heels complements the black elements in the outfit while adding a playful twist with the snake print pattern. Overall, this outfit strikes a perfect balance between sophistication and edge, making it ideal for a variety of occasions, from a stylish day at the office to a fashionable evening out. Another way to style a black leather pencil skirt is to pair it with a printed top. And here, I opted for a leopard print blouse. The leopard print blouse adds a bold statement, infusing the outfit with personality and a hint of exotism. The contrast between the edgy leather skirt and the playful print creates a dynamic and fashion-forward combination. For footwear, black platform brogues offer both style and comfort. Their chunky silhouette and platform design adds a trendy and contemporary touch to the ensemble while ensuring all-day wearability. The tan oversized handbag adds a touch of warmth and richness to the overall outfit. The oversized silhouette of the handbag offers practicality while also making a fashion statement, complementing the overall aesthetic. And layering a camel blazer over the leopard print blouse provides structure and polish to the look. The camel hue adds a timeless and sophisticated element, balancing out the boldness of the animal print and tying the ensemble together cohesively. Overall, this outfit effortlessly combines edgy and classic elements with a playful twist, making it ideal for a variety of occasions, from a stylish day at the office to a casual weekend outing. So coincidentally, as I was editing this video, my friend Runia rocked up at church wearing this stunning short leather skirt paired with a printed blouse and a pair of gold sandals. And I thought it was a good idea for me to include her look into my video. She looks sassy. She looks stunning, doesn't she? I'll leave your Instagram handle on the screen. Enjoy! So as you have seen, ladies, leather pencil skirts are versatile wardrobe staples that can effortlessly transition from day to night and from casual to formal events. With the right styling techniques, you can create chic and classy looks for any occasion. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to style the leather pencil skirts for various occasions. Remember, fashion is all about creativity and making the most of what you already have in your wardrobe. You don't have to go out and buy the exact same pieces showcased in this video. Instead, use it as inspiration to style your black leather pencil skirt with the existing items in your wardrobe. Experiment with different combinations and have fun expressing your unique sense of style. I would love to hear which look was your favorite, so let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fashion insights and tips, And please share this video with your family and friends so that we grow our community. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.